So we're going to make chocolate crème patissière. This is a rich chocolate custard. It's pipeable, it's smooth, luscious, rich and creamy. So we're going to start by putting the large amount of the milk into a saucepan over medium-high heat. We'll then add in the caster sugar and the cocoa powder. Give these a whisk and let it come to a simmer. Here separately, I'm just adding milk to the cornstarch, and I want to just mix those to dissolve the cornstarch. And we just want to make sure that there are no lumps in our cornstarch mixture. So as soon as that chocolate mixture comes to a simmer, we can then add our cornstarch mixture. As soon as it comes to a simmer, we can take it off the heat. There we go. So it's bubbling. Now we have just a light textured chocolate custard mixture. Then we can add our dark chocolate, stir it in. Look at this beautiful, luscious, rich looking chocolate crème pat. Pour it into a shallow container, not more than about 3 centimeters thick, so it can take a bit too long to cool. And then you just want to press a piece of cling film on the top to stop condensation forming inside the lid. And then we can put it in the fridge. So once our chocolate crème pat is set, we can you can see it does take on a set texture. We end up with a smooth, creamy and unctuous chocolate custard.